Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcome to you all on Career Edge. This is a channel of Career Edge where you got all the updates of internship, free courses, and also courses from big universities and NITs and IITs. If you go through our videos, you find many helpful contents which may explore your knowledge, and also there are many certificates here. From that, you make your resume very awesome for any internship. So don't be late. Let's start this video with the course 1 of Udemy. And this is the course 1, the complete Java masterclass, learn Java from scratch. There are total 10 courses whose links and the coupons code in the description. The only thing you need to do is watch this full video and choose courses of your choice. Total 10 courses which are very awesome. Also a course of AutoCAD, nodeJS and other programming languages are there. Now this is a course 2 which is of software development in Python, a practical approach. So stay tuned in this video. Looking for a great demand from your side, I created a Telegram group where I share many local internship opportunities, free courses of Udemy, and also many other contents which are very helpful for you. So you need to join also our Telegram group, that is Career Age, a link in the description. Now this is the course 3.